CronJob Schedule Syntax, Master Cron expressions for Kubernetes. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to write cron expressions that define when your Kubernetes jobs should run automatically. Cron expressions are the foundation of scheduled tasks in Kubernetes, and understanding them is essential for automation. A cron expression is a time-based scheduling format that defines when jobs should run automatically. It's a string of 5 fields separated by spaces, where each field represents a different unit of time. For example, the expression 02 asterisk 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 tells Kubernetes to run a job every day at 2 a.m. Cron expressions provide a flexible and powerful way to schedule recurring tasks without manual intervention. Every cron expression consists of exactly 5 fields, each representing a different time unit. The first field is minute, ranging from 0 to 59. The second field is hour, using 24-hour format from 0 to 23. The third field is day of the month, from 1 to 31. The fourth field is month, from 1 to 12. And the fifth field is day of the week, where 0 represents Sunday and 6 represents Saturday. Understanding these 5 fields is crucial for building any cron expression. Cron expressions use 4 special characters to create flexible schedules. The asterisk matches any value in that field, meaning the job runs for every possible value. The comma allows you to list multiple specific values, such as running at multiple hours. The hyphen defines a range of values, like running every hour between 9 and 17. And the slash specifies step values or increments, such as running every 15 minutes. These characters can be combined to create sophisticated scheduling patterns. Let's look at some commonly used cron expressions. 00 asterisk 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 runs every day at midnight. 0 asterisk slash 6 asterisk 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 runs every 6 hours. 09 asterisk asterisk 1 runs every Monday at 9 a.m., where 1 represents Monday. And 32 1 asterisk asterisk runs on the first day of every month at 2:30 a.m. These patterns form the building blocks for most scheduling scenarios you'll encounter. Ranges and lists give you precise control over when jobs execute. Using a hyphen for ranges, 09-17 asterisk 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 runs every hour from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. 00 asterisk asterisk. 1-5 runs at midnight on weekdays only, from Monday through Friday. For lists using commas, 00, 12 asterisk 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 runs at both midnight and noon. And 00 asterisk asterisk 1, 3, 5 runs at midnight on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday only. Step values using the slash character let you run jobs at regular intervals. Asterisk slash 15 asterisk 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 runs every 15 minutes, executing at 0, 15, 30, and 45 minutes past each hour. 0 asterisk slash 3 asterisk 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 runs every 3 hours, executing at midnight, 3 a.m., 6 a.m., and so on. 00 asterisk slash 2 asterisk asterisk runs every 2 days at midnight, executing on the 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th day of the month, and so on. Step values are perfect for creating evenly spaced recurring schedules. Here's how to use cron expressions in a Kubernetes cron job. The API version is batch/v1, and the kind is cron job. Under the spec section, the schedule field contains your cron expression in quotes. In this example, 02 asterisk 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 schedules the job to run daily at 2 a.m. The job template defines what container should run when the schedule triggers. This backup job will execute automatically every day at 2 a.m., creating database backups without any manual intervention.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.